to set up GitHub and generate a token from the GitHub account, first you need to visit the website of GitHub. Once you visit the website of GitHub, if you have account directly get sign in. If you are not about having account, get sign up. As I am already having an account, I will going to sign in. Once you get sign in, this is the main entrance of the GitHub account. Once you get logged into the GitHub account, click on your profile and you will find the settings over here. After going to settings, scroll down to the bottom of the page and you will find developer settings. Once you go to the developer settings page and you will find like personal access tokens and choose token classic and click on generate new token over here and you will get two options over here. One is of generate new token and generate new token classic. Choose classic one and give the name. You can give any name over here and choose expiration date based on your choice and choose all those options which are listed below. Choosing of these options stating that we are going to perform operations using those token. Once you choosing of all these options, click on generate new token. It will generate on token in the name of this. You need to copy and keep it in your notes. Why? Because if you are not copying now, it will not visible again over here or after entering into the token classic screen. This is the process of generating token from the GitHub account. Thank you.